Case Power 850M is a game changer in the construction equipment world. This dozer combines power, precision, and efficiency, making it an essential machine for tough job sites. Its advanced features and robust design are tailored to meet the demands of modern construction, forestry, and mining operations. The 850M offers a blend of cutting-edge technology and reliable performance, ensuring that operators can tackle the most challenging tasks with ease. At the heart of this machine is its high-powered engine, delivering exceptional horsepower while maintaining fuel efficiency. Case has incorporated a Tier 4 final certified engine that not only meets emission standards but also ensures long-term operational savings. This dozer is designed for performance, with power being distributed evenly to the tracks for maximum traction and stability. Whether you're pushing through dense soil, leveling terrain, or clearing debris, the 850M handles it all effortlessly. The dozer's blade control is precise and responsive thanks to the hydrostatic drive system. Operators can easily maneuver the machine in tight spaces, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. The blade itself is built for durability, capable of withstanding the toughest materials without compromising performance. This level of control and reliability ensures that every job is completed efficiently and accurately. The cabin of the Case Power 850M is a standout feature, offering unparalleled comfort and visibility. The ergonomic design of the operator's seat, combined with intuitive controls, reduces operator fatigue during long hours of operation. A clear view of the blade and surrounding job site enhances safety and productivity, while the advanced monitoring system keeps operators informed about machine performance in real time. From climate control to noise reduction, the cabin is designed with operator well-being in mind. Maintenance is straightforward with the 850M, as Case has prioritized accessibility in its design. Daily service points are easily reachable, reducing downtime and allowing for quicker maintenance checks. The machine's rugged construction ensures longevity, even under demanding conditions. Case's commitment to quality is evident in every aspect of the dozer's design, from its durable components to its user-friendly interface. Another highlight of the 850M is its technology integration. With features like GPS grading systems and automated blade control, the dozer enhances accuracy and reduces material waste. These technologies not only improve efficiency but also lower operating costs, making the 850M a smart investment for contractors and operators. The ability to program and adjust settings according to specific job requirements further adds to its versatility. The undercarriage of the 850M is built for endurance, offering exceptional stability and reduced wear over time. It handles rough terrains with ease, ensuring consistent performance even in the harshest environments. Operators can rely on the machine's durability to get the job done, whether it's in rocky conditions or soft, uneven ground. This rugged design is complemented by a commitment to smooth operation, ensuring that every movement is precise and controlled. In conclusion, the Case Power 850M is a testament to engineering excellence. It combines raw power, innovative technology, and operator-facing design to deliver unmatched performance on the job site. This dozer is not just a machine, it's a reliable partner that helps operators achieve their goals efficiently and effectively. Whether you're involved in large-scale construction projects or smaller tasks, the 850M stands out as a versatile and dependable choice. With its impressive features and robust capabilities, it's no surprise that the Case Power 850M continues to set the standard in the industry.